Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a very interesting story, Flying Together, from NCERT English Marigold book of CBSE class 5th. Students, you should observe the picture and see which birds are sitting on the tree togetherly. So let's start the story, Flying Together. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? For example, get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bags. These things our parents and teacher always tell us to do on time. Let's start the story. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. See student, flock means group of similar birds. See, deep in a forest, there was one strong big tree, and this strong big tree was home of geese, and one of the geese was wise and old. All the geese were feeling safety in their home, it means on that tree. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. He spoke to the other birds about it. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do, my friends? Replied the wise old bird. That little creeper will soon grow. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. See students, we have already seen there was one wise old bird. One day what happened? The wise old bird saw a small creeper at the end of the tree. So he told to other geese to destroy it, to finish it. But all other geese said, why we should finish it? What harm it can do us? So wise old bird said that creeper will grow soon on this tree and it will be strong and thick. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. See students, when all the geese were asked the question, what harm can a creeper do us? Then wise bird replied, with the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. So, hunter can also come up and kill us all. So, you should cut that creeper, you should destroy that creeper. Now, we will see what happened next. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It will be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. We will see, answered the birds, but they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. See students, the old wise bird was saying to all the young geese that now if you will try to cut that climber, you can easily cut it because nowadays it is tender and young. But after some days it will be strong, so it will be hard to cut it. So now you should cut it. But all the geese were saying, we will cut it afterwards. And all the young geese forgot advice of wise old birds that someday that hunter will come up with the help of that strong creeper and that hunter will kill us. Now we will see what happened next. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So this is where the wild geese live. He said to himself, "When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them." The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of climber. See students, what happened? That young climber was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, all the geese had gone out in search of food. And that time, a hunter came to the forest, and he said to himself, "Where the wild geese live? When all the geese will come back in the evening, I will catch them." So hunter climbed up the tree with the help of climber. You can see in the picture how that hunter climbing up the tree with the help of strong thick rope like climber. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out, but could not. "Help! Help!" cried the geese. "We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do?" See students, with the help of climber, that hunter got to the top of the tree and spread his net there in the house of geese. And he went away from there. In the evening, all the geese returned their home, and they did not notice that net. And when they flew into the tree, they were trapped in that net. And they had struggled hard to get out of that net, but they could not. They all were shouting, "Help! Help! We are caught in the hunter's net. What shall we do?" Now we will see next part of the story. "Don't make a fuss now," said the wise old bird. "Long ago I told you, destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. We were foolish," wept the birds. "We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do." "Then listen carefully," replied the wise bird. "When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not harm dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down, collect the dead birds and take." Now here, that old wise bird said to all the geese, "Long ago I told you, destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now don't make a noise, don't make fuss here. So we should do one idea. We will make foolish to that hunter. Tomorrow morning, when hunter will come back to kill us, that time we should pretend to be dead. We just lie still, silently. Then he will not harm to dead birds. He will throw us to the ground, and it will then be easy for him to climb down and collect the dead birds." Now see next part. "When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away." In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. "They are all dead," the muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. As per the plan, all the geese were decided to lie still silently in the net as dead. So in the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up and looked at the geese in the net. He thought, "What happened? All the geese dead," he muttered to himself. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one thrown down. Then all at once got up and spread their wings and flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. From this story, we have learned a great moral. That is, we should always respect to our elder people. We should listen to our older and wise people. We should listen their experiences, and their experiences save us from many problems. And most important moral is our every work we should do on time. And we should listen to our mummy, papa, granny, grandpa, and to our all the respected people and experienced people. One more moral is there. Working together means flying together makes our work easier and we get new ideas from each other. Now we will see new words of the lesson of this story. New words: geese, plural of goose, large web-footed bird. Then creeper, plant that needs support to grow, usually along a wall or a tree. Then winding, go in circular, spiral course. Then muttered, spoken in a low tone, flapped, move wings up and down. Students, do you know Panchatantra stories? Have you ever seen any serial on TV of Panchatantra stories? This small story also adapted from Panchatantra, a wise old bird stories. I hope you have understood the story. For better understanding, you want to read this story again and again and observe all the pictures given in the story. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.